Hey there, welcome to the funny farm. 45 degrees today, but the sun is shining outside, peeking at what's going on in the garden. This is one of the lettuces that overwintered, still surviving. I'm gonna try and save seeds from this one because obviously it's a good winter hardy plant. And one more here that is kind of sad looking, but definitely still alive. We'll try and get seeds from it too. Outside in the garden also today, checking on the peas, and look, we have our peas are popping up. These can take the cold and they're popping up really good underneath there, protected from the birds. Even though we've had weather below freezing and snows after we planted these peas aren't minding a bit the cold. We're gonna have early peas. And the garlic is starting to get big and lush. This patch right here is where I did not plant garlic, but last year we had the garlic bulbils planted in here for the first time, and I think I must have missed a few. So this is gonna be year 2 bulbils. Let's see if these give us any decent kind of heads. Fall planted spinach that survived the winter is starting to put on some leaves for us. We'll have some spinach soon. I have no idea what this is popping up in the middle of the potato bed, but I did have leek roots in here, so I'm wondering if this isn't leek we missed that survived that's popping back up. It's a big thick stem. And the potatoes we planted under cover are also starting to pop up. Have these under plastic until our nights get warm enough to leave them free. When it is warm for a couple days, I do come and pull the covers off. And we finally have some daffodils peeking, which is nice to see after a long winter. And then I think I decided for the Terry King's very small seed potato challenge 2026, I do not want to waste one of my raised beds for these because we don't know if they're going to do anything or not. So I'm going to plant these today in this little kiddie pool I usually use for harvesting. So we are planting, we've got a couple of Kennebec, a couple of Yukon Golds, a couple of Red Pontiac, a couple of Adirondack Blue, a couple of tiny russets, and then a couple of tiny fingerlings. I would have looked for smaller seeds, but I did not know about this in advance, so these are the smallest I had available. Also have 2 extra Pontiacs I think I'm going to stick in here. And I will cover these up and we'll see if these tiny potatoes give us anything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.